is marked as the celebration of the World Health Day. From its inception, the first World Assembly is in 1948, since the after effect is in 1950. This celebration has an aim to create an awareness on the specific health theme on highlighting of priority area of the concern for the World Health Organization. Over the past 15 years, this has brought up to the light the important health issues such as mental health, maternal and child care, and also climate changes. This celebration is marked by the activities which only extend beyond the day itself. This serves as an opportunity to focus the worldwide attention on the important aspects of global health.
The objective to celebrate World Health Day is a sensitive, priority and focused on important aspect of public health. I repeat it, Health Day is a sensitive, priority and focused on important aspect of public health.
Now we are going to look at the theme of 2021, the World Health Day. Considering the pandemic in the previous year, which is continuing now, this year the theme on World Health Day is Building a Fairer, Healthier World. And this theme is very apt because this unequal world is becoming more prominent and more widespread between the rich and the poor. And the treatment gap is further widened. That means that the people who is having disease is not able to gain access to healthcare. They are being deprived of treatment, health services, and the access is being destined for poor people. And the difference between the have and have not is widening day by day. And hence this theme is very apt.
So, let's see what we can do. As the lesson from the pandemics has shown that prevention is better than cure. And as the pandemic hits, the society, the state as well as the country should follow the preventive measures like use of mask, use of sanitizer, providing social distance as well as protecting themselves from getting affected. Next, the care that should be provided can be community care or home care. The 95% people or the affected people can be cured by home care. Home care is a better way to empower the local society as well as the people everywhere to get treated, and also this can break the limits of technologies. And by doing this, we can be together to fight against the pandemic situation that is not spared even a human or a state or even a country. So let's be together and fight against this pandemic situation.
On this World Health Day, I would urge you all to pay attention to your health. To maintain one's health, some daily routines must be followed. Try to eat home-cooked meals as often as possible and avoid junk foods. As part of this World Health Day, I hope that we all will adopt more good habits to maintain our health. It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks to all dignitaries for this wonderful presentation. First of all, I would like to thank our management, our Honorable Principal, Mrs. Hepzibah Kavitarani, and Administrative Officer, Mrs. Ematha Jigin, who gave us this wonderful opportunity. Next, I would like to thank our beloved class coordinator, Mrs. Anja Patel, Mrs. Binsi, and all other teaching and non-teaching staffs. And also with great pleasure, I would like to thank all the students and the volunteers who cooperated to this event and made it grand success. Once again, thank you all. Have a nice day.